Hello there. This is a presentation on the AI Agent's intensive vibe coding Capstone project hosted by Kaggle. We're going to be presenting our project, TenderLens Agentic AI. Every year, businesses waste millions of dollars responding to requests of proposals, RFPs, that are not eligible for or that carry hidden compliance risks. Bidding teams spend weeks manually reading hundreds of pages of requirements, cross-referencing capabilities, and drafting questions. We built TenderLens Agentic AI to solve this. It is an autonomous bidder-side tender decision cockpit that cuts the evaluation cycle from weeks to minutes, helping suppliers make smart, evidence-grounded bid or no bid decisions. So, why agents? A single linear LLM prompt will miss critical details in a 100-page tender and hallucinate compliance facts. TenderLens uses a modular multi-agent workflow. The router agent coordinates parallel specialties, a compliance agent to check SLAs, an eligibility agent to verify company clarifications, and a risk agent to evaluate liability limits. Most importantly, we implement a bounded evidence quality loop using an independent A2A remote evidence audit agent that verifies the specialist findings against source document citation before releasing the final report, ensuring zero hallucinations. So let's see it in action. Once you get onto the website, it will give you an onboarding screen if you're going to the website for the first time. Once you go through it, you can upload files. We have some tender, it's projects, so there would be multiple files. You can upload it as many files as you want at the same time, and you can upload it in multiple formats, PDF, Word documents, and it will run through all of the files, and then it will generate the result. Depending on how many files and how long the files are, it could take from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the analysis is complete, the cockpit displays a clear conditional bid recommendation with a compliance score. For this, it gave it a 30 out of 100. Every single checklist item connects a requirement back to its source document and flags potential risk. We can also see what needs attention and a lot of important information. We can discuss with the TenderLens via chat or voice mode. You can ask it questions like, what are the biggest risks, and it will generate a response. And you can also ask it using a voice mode. Can you summarize this project in 2 sentences? And it will
Najm Urban Mobility Services is proposing to operate the Riyadh Smart Waste Collection Fleet, leveraging.
So it will read it out loud, and you can go through the chat as well to find it. There is also a tender map to see how files, requirements, and risks connect. Or we can also navigate to the briefing deck, which has a complete deck which serves as an executive go-no-go briefing. You can download it as a PowerPoint presentation, and you can present it as well. There's also ask questions. It will show what questions were asked and what questions could be asked and what responses can be given to the previous questions. Crucially, TenderLens is fully bilingual. When we switch to Arabic, the entire workspace, including compliance checklist, grid, the tender map, the visual gradients dynamically mirrors to support right to left alignment natively. And let's look at the GitHub. TenderLens is built using Python, Fast API, and the Google ADK and Gen AI SDKs. The backend is deployed on Google Cloud Run, directly connected to Vertex AI, whitelisting Corn's origins for local and production hosts. We manage the lifecycle using Agent CLI for scaffolding, evaluation, datasets, and deployment. Thank you. That was our project. We hope you liked it.